CEO Ron England from Create a Difference. I want to talk to you about TruBallReviews.com. We have an official layout that we're going to use for our control ball, and we're going to ask you to actually have your pro shop drill you the exact same layout that we're going to use. We're going to use the dual angle layout system, and it's going to be 60 by 4 3/4 by 30 degrees. So let me show you exactly what the process your pro shop's going to do in order to be able to get you to have that exact same layout. First, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line from the pin through the center of gravity all the way to the edge. We're just gonna make a little mark. If this bowling ball happened to have a mass bias marking, that's where it would be at. This ball's symmetrical, so it doesn't have them, but that's okay. The next step we're gonna do is we're gonna create our first angle, which is 60 degrees. So we're gonna line up to make sure that the pin is in line with the CG. It's a straight line there, right in the center of the pin, and we're gonna mark 60 degrees, which happens to be right here. Now we're gonna take that, go right back from the pin, center of the pin, through the 60-degree mark, and make another line. And that is going to create that 60-degree angle. Now, we're going to measure from the pin our distance to the PAP along this line. We want a 4 3/4 inch pin to PAP. So right back from the center of the pin, we're going to go 4 3/4 inches and make a mark right there like so. And that is going to be part of our PAP. Now, last but not least, we've got to find our second angle, which is the 30-degree mark. So what we're going to do is we're going to line up again, parallel with that line. We're going to look to go to 30 degrees, which happens to be right here. And that's going to end up being our vertical axis line, or VAL. What we're going to do is we're going to connect the dots. We're going to connect this line right here to our line that has the PAP on it right here. Okay, so we're going to draw this line. And that is the vertical axis line. And this spot right here where they connect is the positive axis point. Now, Dustin's positive axis point happens to be 5.5 inches over by 0 up. If it was different, we'd have to adjust the up or down on this particular line, but his is 0. So we're just going to be able to go 90 degrees perpendicular where they intersect, just like that. So it's 90 degrees lined up. And we're going to go straight across 5.5 inches and make a mark, okay? Now that's going to then go 90 degrees again from there. And that is going to let us have Dustin's center of grip, which means his finger holes will be up here and his thumb hole will be down here. Now, here's the key. And we can just double check that, right? So we go from the center of grip at a 90-degree angle straight across. It's right at 5.5, as you can see. And it's 0 up and down. So that's correct. We also want to make sure that the pin is 4 3/4 inches away. So from the center right to there, you can see it's right at 4 3/4 inches as well. So that is correct. We actually have the proper layout on this bowling ball. Now, for you, it may be different because your axis point may be different. So it may not look like Dustin's bowling ball, but as long as these measurements are the same, it will perform the same way as Dustin's bowling ball. And when we do our comparisons, all of the balls we drill will be drilled in this fashion. So now you have a little bit more information about how you can have your pro shop drill your bowling ball, so that it's very, very similar to the way we have our bowling balls drilled. Therefore, when we're doing the testing and you want to begin to do comparisons, you can take your comparison control ball, the Storm IQ Tour, and compare it to any of the bowling balls we're testing. As always, if you have more questions or need more information, check us out at ctdbowling.com. Ron England, CEO from Create a Difference. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And check out one of the other videos on the screen for more information. Thanks for joining us.